4 seconds, like combos and
Great. All right.
backs to downstairs.
Okay, so we're going to do 3 things today, Noah. We're going to do a time lesson, and we're going to read a chart, and then we're going to do a life skills lesson, okay? You ready? All right. So one way we can figure out how to tell time is to know the types of clocks. So the ones here where you can see the numbers, that's a digital clock. And then when you have the hands and the other numbers like that, with the hands pointing to the numbers, that's called analog. All right?
Yeah.
And then now we have, down here we have the first number, that's the hours. Can you see that, Noah? What do they call that second number? What are those called? That's called?
Minutes.
Minutes, good. Okay, and then over here on the analog clock, we have the small hand, that tells you the hour. So this would be 11. And then the big hand says the minutes. It's pointing to the 12, so that means 11 o'clock. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so Noah, let's look at this clock. Okay, we're going to find the hour. All right? So we're going to find the hour. We look at the small hand, the red one. Okay, what number is that small hand pointing to, Noah?
7.
7, good. Okay, that is the hour. So it's 7. And then now we're going to do the minutes. Okay, so look here. We've got the blue. We've got the big hand. That's pointing to the
3.
3. Okay, now this is the 3. That means it's in minutes. We've got to count. So we count by 5s 3 times. We go 5, 10, 15. So that's 15 minutes. So what time is this, Noah? It's
35.
7,
7.
15. Good. Good job.
I'm gonna forget one piece.
All right. So now you're going to tell me what to write in here. Okay, Noah, you ready? Listen. At 8:30 in the morning, Randy gets in the car to leave for his first day of school. Okay, so what time is that at 8:30 in the morning? What number should I type here, Noah?
What do you type?
It's 8:30. So what number goes first here on this clock, on the digital clock?
8.
Good. Good job. All right. What number goes here now? It's 8:30. What should I type in here?
30.
30. Good. Awesome.
Guys, I'm gonna plug in his earphones so he gets directly with you all here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. You go. All right. So now we have the same thing. Noah, at 9 o'clock in the morning, Randy arrives at school. Okay. We're going to show the time on this clock. Noah, it's 9 o'clock. What number do you type here?
9.
9. Good. All right. Okay. So it's o'clock. So what do I type here for o'clock?
0, 0.
0, 0. Good.
I have the class dojo.
All right. So at 8:30 in the morning, Randy gets in the car to leave for his first day of school. All right. So which one of these should I put in 8:30?
Right, this one.
This one? Okay, A, B, or C?
A.
Good. All right.
Write her stuff down.
At 9 o'clock in the morning, Randy arrives at school. Okay, we're going to choose the clock that shows the time. Which one shows the time? A, B, or C?
C.
Good.
Jordan, what time is James supposed to be back on his thing? His computer.
All right.
Yeah, she ended the session. She'll come back. She has to be
All
back.
right, can you see that okay, Noah?
Yeah.
Okay, at 3:30 in the afternoon.
You sure? Braden's.
Braden, yeah, Braden said 12:50, and
Braden said, or you?
Braden said 12:50.
Randy's school day is over. Okay, so we're going to show the time on this clock. 3:30.
What time do we go on lunch for that?
3.
3, good. What should I put in this box?
30.
But he went
30, good. All right.
Get out there.
10 minutes out.
4 o'clock in the afternoon, Randy has a snack while doing some homework. All right. So what time should I put here? It's 4 o'clock.
4
4, good.
and 0, 0.
0, 0, good job. Okay. So at 3:30 in the afternoon, Randy's school day is over, remember? So choose which clock goes here. Is it A, B, or C?
A, B.
Oh,
What
what else? It's not A, so that means it's
B.
B. Yay, good. All right. So at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Randy
Yeah,
has
we gotta
C.
okay.
refrain
C. Good job, Noah.
bathroom constantly.
He's a
You
sit
really
right
think
next to
he's
me.
gotta go to the
No,
bathroom
he
that
don't.
much? Or
He's gonna have to
yeah.
hold it. You don't pee that much.
All right,
Don't
Mary
have
Beth
to-
is going to take the bus to school.
No, little
The bus arrives at
Jake.
Mary Beth's
Yeah.
stop at
Now
7:30
your drinks,
a.m.
I'm drinking them, please.
Hey, which one of these goes in there? Which one says 7:30? Is it A,
Just trying to
B,
find
or C?
Of course, with
A.
her
All right. The bus arrives at school at 8 a.m. Okay, which clock shows 8 a.m.? A, B, or C?
C.
Because that's how.
We were supposed to, but
Yeah.
that's just how we do it.
Oh, okay. It's not C. Is it A or B?
B.
Oh,
It's A.
so it must be A, yep. Okay, you see how that works? The clock, the little hand is pointing to the 8, and then
Yeah.
the big hand is pointing to the 12, and 12 means o'clock. All right.
You just jump on that couch over there, mister.
What? She just
Okay.
wanted to one because there's
So Mary Beth is going to school. The bus arrives at Mary Beth's house at 7:30. Which clock shows the time?
But
Is it
bad
A,
because when school is
B,
like
or
she goes
C?
back into-
C.
I think it's time.
Okay, so remember we want to look for the little hand. Look here, it's between the 7 and the 8. That means 7,
Because it would have been good for him.
7,
He wouldn't have
30.
He wouldn't have any toys. He
Okay.
wouldn't have anything like that. He couldn't get up constantly.
And the bus arrives to school at 8 o'clock a.m. Choose the clock that shows that.
Mhm.
A.
Hey, good job, Noah.
Jordan? Oh, before.
I think the reason why.
Mary Beth goes back on the bus after school at 3 o'clock p.m. Choose the clock that shows the time.
C.
Good job, you got this.
Is it on 17%?
Hey, Mary Beth goes home from school at 3:30 p.m. Choose the clock that shows that time.
Right, check your thing, see what you at.
That one.
A, B, or C? 3:30 p.m.
B.
Good.
14.
All right.
Even charging?
See, we are done there. You knew all that. Hold on.
You're not even charging, boy. What?
All right, so now that was our clock lesson, and now we're going to do the
You have a new message.
read the chart. Okay, are you ready, Noah?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. What is we have this chart here. Is this a pie chart, Noah, or a graph chart?
A graph chart.
Yeah, it's a graph chart. Good. All right. So what did the different colors mean? What do you think blue means up here? There's the blue, and right next to it, what word is that?
Oh, I have to have my mask on?
Blue.
Yeah, that blue. That means it's
Boys.
boys. Good. So what does the orange mean?
Girls.
Girls. Good. So we're going to look down here. That when they ask you what the chart is about, it's up here, right? It's a favorite school subject, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so what does it say down here? What's this first subject? That is
Math.
math. Good. And what's the next one?
Reading.
Reading. Good. And then there's
Science.
science. Awesome. Okay, so what about, that is
History.
history. Good job, Noah. All right, let's look
We're
here.
still doing Zoom. Stop.
How many boys say that math is their favorite subject,
Sit down,
Noah?
relax. School's almost over.
5.
Well, you see, you look here, it's blue is the boys, and you go all the way up to where the graph is touching the line. So and then they go over, what number is that?
3.
3. So that means 3 boys picked math as their favorite subject. Okay? How many girls picked math as their favorite subject?
this big rug up on his
4.
Let's see, there's the girls, they're orange. We go all the way, we go up to the line that it's touching, and it goes go over here. And what's that number?
2.
2. Good. All right, let's do this, reading. How many boys picked reading as their favorite school subject?
4.
Okay, well, look here. It touches the line that says 1. Okay?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go on
She's on Zoom.
here. All right, so we're going to answer some questions. All right, so, hey, which school subject got the most votes? Okay, so when you say most, we look at what graph is the tallest. Which one had the tallest graph? Which subject, Noah?
History.
History, good. Right. Based on this data, will more boys or girls want to learn how the United States became its own country? We look at here.
Science.
Make a guess.
Science.
Do more boys or girls like history?
Beautiful. Whoever she's hanging out with, her mom is
Here's history. So which number is the tall? Which graph is the tallest? Is it boys or girls?
He's on Zoom, quick.
Boys.
Okay, good. Okay. Good. Let's back up. Okay. So let's see. How many more boys voted for math than girls? Okay. We had 3 boys that math was their favorite, and 2 girls. So when you look here, when you go up, that means that one more boy liked math than girl.
All right, let me get
1.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, so what is the total number of students
Michael?
who voted
You got all
for
that?
science? So Noah, how many boys voted for science? For science.
2.
3. That's okay.
3.
That's close, yeah. And then how many girls? So there's the girls. Go all the way up here, and it is
5.
5. So Noah, what's 3 plus 5?
sleeping upstairs? I don't think so.
6.
Oh, that's okay. We'll count on. We start at 5, and then we go
Elaine Grace Kizzer.
6,
who of Godford,
6.
7,
7.
struck
8.
by
8.
So 3 more times. So that means 8 is our answer. Good job. You're doing awesome. Keep going. So what school subject got the least votes? Okay. Least means smallest. Which one had the fewest number of kids that voted for it?
Girls.
Okay, well, when they ask for the subject, they're going to ask, is it going to be math or reading?
Math.
Okay, well, see, math had 3 boys and 2
I know
girls.
it's reading. It's reading.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's reading? Okay, well, let's see. Let's talk about it first. So math had 3 boys and 2 girls. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Reading had 1 boy and 3
Where's
girls.
Portatelli's at?
So 1 plus 3 is 4. So Noah, which one is smaller, 5 or 4?
4.
Good. That means reading. Awesome. All right, so that is our reading for the graph. We've got one more thing, and then we'll be all done, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do is we're going to make a chart, all right?
Yeah.
So we're going to use our schedule here when we do our remote learning, what our schedule for Tuesday would be,
What are you eating?
okay? So we start at
Time.
8 o'clock, okay? So Noah, what do we do at 8 o'clock? here. Do we have a meeting time or do you go to the gym at 8 o'clock in the morning?
Computer mouse,
Jam.
your study island will.
Well, no, we go to the gym at the end of the day. So at first thing in the morning on Tuesday, we have
Meeting.
meeting time. Good. All right. Okay, and then what did you and I do after we had our meeting time about, you and I met about 8:30? What did we do today at 8:30?
We did work.
We did work. We did, see, well, we did a little bit of math. We did a little bit of
Math.
reading and math. Okay, we'll put math in there.
COVID case anyway.
Okay. And then, so what are we doing? We'll skip ahead a little bit. It was about 12:30 when we got on Noah, right?
Yeah.
So what did we do right here at 12:30? We did math in the morning and then we did.
Silent.
You're gonna go potty, we're doing it now.
We did. Right now we're kind of doing math and science. We can put science there. That's good. Yeah. Okay. So what would you do? Maybe not today, but what would you do at the end of the day at about 1 o'clock? Where would you go? Would you go to?
Science.
Oh, yep, we did science. We're gonna go to gym.
Yeah.
We're not really gonna go to the gym. We're just gonna do it like this. Okay, that is awesome, Noah. Sherry? Okay. So were you not able to get in your reading book done?
Yeah.
Okay.
We did
Did you do your math assignment too? Were you able to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, see, the math assignment will be like what we just did. So have Mom help you
Ask for
find
if you
that.
have any,
And on the iPad, and that'll be your work, okay?
what's that one you
Yeah.
wanted? Does she have
All right. You did awesome today, man. You were on
any password to refresh
tired
it? Ask her.
a little bit.
Ask her.
Okay. But we'll go ahead and let you go early today, okay?
We did,
Ask her if
school
she has
over.
Does she have any passwords?
Yeah.
for
So go
refresh?
school. I think so. We'll have to ask Mom. We have to go do your math work,
Okay.
okay? But then school will be done. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
And he's upstairs
All
doing
right.
his work.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, let's check on top 4. Let's check.